what finally came. If you don't, because some of you are voting for Kamala, that's okay. I'll let you know. It's concept seats. And it's still taped right here. Oh, she's a beaut. She's a beauty.
No, let heck no.
Oh, that's what I'm looking at, baby.
Later seats.
All right, these are a little low, so we gotta add the washers at the seat gauge to lift them up. Here are the washers. Let's add them. So we're lining up here. Bam, slide into place. Oh, look at that. Because this water, we're getting a little rusted here. I'm gonna add some anti-seize lubricant, help maybe prevent it. My brush here. Let's paint this, let's get her on. Looks good now. Let's get her in. Oh yeah. Let's see how she feels.